Hello friends, welcome back. In the previous video, we come to know that what is a string data type, then some examples of string and some operations on string type. Okay, well today I will be discussing what is an index, types of indexes in Python and how to access elements by using index. So first of all, what is an index? In Python, index determines the position of element in list, tuple, string, byte and byte array. And all these types are also known as sequences in Python. Okay? Alright. Now types of indexes in Python. There are two types of indexes in Python. In other languages like C, C++ and Java, there is only one index, that is a positive index. In Python, we have two types of indexes. One is positive index to access elements from left to right, and another is negative index, which is used to access elements from right to left. Okay, and here is the image which determines this positive index and negative index. And one more thing, this positive index starts from 0 and negative index starts from -1. Okay, alright. How to access elements of a sequence using index? Elements are accessed by using index operator, this square bracket. Okay, just let me consider this example in my idle. There I will use these indexes to access elements. Okay, just a minute. Exit my idle here. Just let me create a similar example. J equal pyth1 Python. Okay, now J, make sure we have created small j of 0, which is p. Now j of 5, which is n. Okay, now j of -6, which is again p, j of -6, which is p, and if I am going to use j of 6, then it will display an error saying string index out of range. What does that mean? That in this j variable we don't have any string at this index. Okay, and I will show it with this previous example. Just check here, 0 means p and 5 means n. From right to left, -6 means p. Here -6 means p, and this 6, we don't have any string on this particular location. Okay, alright, back to the slides. Just check here, index error, string index out of range, which I have shown in my idle. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. As usual, before you leave, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Cheers.